The Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, or TESDA, is usually associated with skills training for manpower courses, such as electronics, automotive servicing, and welding. However, last May 21 to 25, they had the pre-qualification selection process for the Fashion Technology Skills of the World Skills Competition.
Itong skills competition na ito, this is taking the place of a national skills competition. Kasi meron tayong, ang skills competition kasi for starters is really a mandate of TESDA to ensure that our graduates are competent and skilled na accepted globally. So palagi tayong nananalo sa skills competition. Basically, yan din ang tinuturo ng ating mga training centers. And pag tayo ang naka-gold, ibig sabihin, mas mataas ang ating level na tinuturo dito sa ating workforce compared to the other countries.
3 competitors from regions 4A, 5, and 7 work relentlessly to earn a spot for the training camp in Manila, and later on, compete at the Asian World Skills Competition in Thailand.
Today is the opening of the pre-qualification selection process for fashion technology. So this fashion technology have 5 modules. First is the draping. Mag-drape sila for whatever drone mastery design. Then i-sketch din nila. May sketching din with fast fashion. It is mid-range or couture. So that designs are mastery from them. So hindi nila alam. Then third module is the pattern drafting. After pattern drafting, i-diretso nila for construction. But in pattern drafting, still mystery din. Hindi nila alam, ibabalot, i-draw by ballots yung mga designs na i-pattern nila. So lahat na mga gagawin nila ngayon for 18 hours is mystery. Then the 5th module is yung embellishment. Didesign nila from the mystery box with mga accessories, trimmings, lace, yun, magpipili sila for that design.
Okay, so currently we are at the TESDA Region Training Center 7 dressmaking workshop. Now they're having the 4th module out of 5, which is the dress construction module, and they will then proceed to the 5th module, which is the embellishment. The competition was completed on May 25, resulting in 2 winners. Ruby Maglinte of Region 7 with 90 points and Miriam Pahe of Region 5 with 88 points. Both will undergo a training camp in Manila along with representatives from IT Network Cabling, IT Business Administration, and Electronics from TESDA. There, they will have skills, values, and health trainings to ensure that they are prepared for the ASEAN Skills Competition in Thailand, this coming August 26 to September 4. This has been Raya de Guzman for MyTV Cebu.